Okay, hey Rebels, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a minute since I've done an upload, but I have been feeling really motivated here lately, and I wanted to go ahead and get some content out for you guys. So as you can see right now, I am working on my brows, but the inspiration behind this look was from the coronavirus. As you guys know, right now we're going through like an international pandemic with this whole virus, and I just wanted to do something to kind of take my mind off of it. So I thought, why not be creative and go ahead and do a look for you guys. So as you can see, nothing has really changed with my brow routine. I am still lining the bottom first with a very harsh line and then going over the top. Since I have let my brows grow in and they are actually more full, I don't need to fill them in as much. So I've just literally been making some fine little strokes inside of my brow line, and that's really been giving me that definition that I want for my brows. Right here, as you can tell, I am using the Louise Rumor 3 base, I believe. And I am just giving my brows some more definition by cleaning up any of the excess hair that's underneath. Making sure that I get really, really close to that brow line so that it's as clean and as crisp as possible. On the top, I am using the Rumor base number 5, and I just feel like that one is a little bit more close to my complexion shade. So when I blend it out, it's going to give me that natural look that I want. So I'm just taking my time and I'm going over the top of my brow, just to make it more defined and more precise. Here I am taking the crayon case, excuse me, duo brush, and I'm just blending everything together. I'm getting ready to put my not my foundation, y'all. I'm getting ready to put my eyeshadow on, so just took the Rumor base 3, and that's the lightest shade that's there. Here, just throwing on my transitional shade, prepping my eye for my actual shadows. So this is actually from the NYX Ultimate palette. I'm just taking a green and a blue that I mixed together, and I am patting it onto my lid. And I'm just really giving it some circular motions, windshield wiper motions, to make sure that it's blended out to the way that I like it. All right, so of course, my all-time favorite, my NYX Epic ink liner pen. And that's what I'm using to create my wing liner. I also use the NYX White Liner to create this white line, just to give it a little bit more razzle-dazzle. So yeah, I was really having to be careful with this because this one is actually a liquid liner instead of a pen. All right, and now I'm going to go in with my Tarte foundation. I think I'm in the shade caramel or tan. No, I think it's tan. I'm in the shade tan, and I'm just going to put that all over my face to go ahead and blend it out. The brush I'm using is from Shop Miss A. It's just a face brush, $1. I love this brush. All right, and now I'm going in with my NARS concealer, which is in the shade Ginger. And I'm just going to put it on both sides of my face because, yeah, I mean, that's what you're supposed to do. All right, going down through the center of my nose, on my chin, Cupid's bow, and, of course, my T-zone. Now, this next concealer that I am going to use is going to be the Maybelline concealer. I don't remember what shade it's in, but I'll definitely list it in the comments. In the description box below, you guys. So I found that 2 different tones just works better for my skin, or the look that I want. I like it a little bit brighter under the eye and then more flesh tone around my jawbone. So that's what you see me doing right here. Just blending it out with my crayon case. Let me not lie. What is this? Oh, this is my Candy Cane Rain sponge from Colored Rain. I cannot believe that I forgot that, y'all. Like, this has been my go-to sponge that I've been using. The red one and the green one are like bae right now, so I've been using those. So I'm just gonna blend out the concealer on my forehead and all over my face until it's the consistency that I want it to be. All right, so now I am taking my Color Rain setting powder, and I am just setting my under eye. I'm setting along my jowl lines, just everywhere that I put concealer. Here I am using the Juvia's Place. I believe it's a foundation concealer. I'm not sure. I think it's a foundation concealer actually, but I use the to contour. I'll put the shade reference in the description, and I'm just blending everything out, trying to make sure I don't have any harsh lines or any lines of demarcation, and just really trying to not go past my jawbone on this one. I find that anytime you're doing the contour, you always want to make sure you stay on that specific jawline. Otherwise, it starts to look muddy and it starts to drag. I'm using the Beauty Blender here because I just feel like it gives me more of that flawless look, and it kind of takes away that lines of demarcation. So that's why I'm using the sponge, and I'm just kind of tapping it into my face to make sure that it's blended to the consistency that I want it to. All right, and now I am just adding a little bit of blush. This is the MAC Eternal Sun, I believe. So that's what that is. And then I am just going in, kind of lining my lips, prepping them for my lipstick. Again, all the details of the makeup will be listed in the description box below. I really like how that's turning out. This has been like my go-to lip color or lip combination for some time. It's just the NYX Espresso Liner and then whichever nude pink that I have. Oh my God, my lip gloss is popping. All right, so now I'm going over with the crayon case Clean Kisses. And of course, applying my AliExpress Express lashes. And just making sure I get under my waterline. Definitely got to pull that out a little bit, give me a little more color. So you just going with clean. I was definitely feeling the green. This is the green from the iSlay Cosmetics. It's the neon colors. Oh my God, yeah, I love all of her neons. So definitely shop iSlay Cosmetics. I'm just applying some of that green over my transitional color just to make my eye pop a little bit more. I've added in Glow Cane from the crayon case. And then that's also going to be the highlighter shade that I use for my face today. And of course, Rocky would be barking. He's outside wanting to come inside the house. So here I am using the Kiss contour palette just to kind of shape up my nose. And again, more of that highlighter from the crayon case, which is Glow Cane. And that is it. That is the final look, you guys. I hope you like it. Definitely go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I am going to be posting videos at least once a week. Makeup tutorials, fashion hauls, shoe editions. Anyway, I love you guys.